Hello students, this is Amrinder. Just now I am going to teach you the chapter A Letter to God. In last video you have studied introduction of the chapter and summary of the chapter about the author. But in this video just now I am going to teach you line by line explanation. So let's start. Yeah, the house, the only one in the entire valley, set on the crest of a low hill. From this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promise a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour. Downpour means heavy rain, you can say, and or at least a shower. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately means closely, and had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. Here in the first paragraph, describing about Lencho, who was the farmer, lived on the only house entire valley that was there on the top of a hill, and the hill was low heighted. From there a river and a ready to harvest cornfield were visible. Everything now we can see from here. Ripe corns, dotted, everything now we see. The field belonged to Lencho and he had the utmost confidence that harvest would reap great profits. Having seen the harvest, now he hoped that it will be very good. And the only thing that he awaited, what was the awaited that he just now needed was a downpour, means heavy rain. The only thing that he awaited was rainfall in the hope. He spent an entire morning gazing at the sky in the northeast direction, from where a drizzle was expected to shower on his field. Because having seen the weather, now he guessed that, having seen the harvest, he speculated that now only there's a need. What's a need? Downpour. यदि बारिश नहीं होती है, कम से कम सावर ही हो जाए, बूंदा बूंदी भी हो जाए, तभी फसल अच्छी हो जाएगी. सो इन द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ इट हैज बीन डिस्क्राइब अबाउट कि लेंचो का जो घर होता है कि इंटायर वैली में अकेले एकदम टॉप ऑफ ए हिल रहता है वहाँ पे, और हिल थोड़ा सा लो हाइटेड होता है जहाँ से वह नदियों को अपने तैयार हुए फसल को, राइप कॉर्न, मक्का, पके हुए मक्के के फूल जिसमें फूल लगे हुए होते हैं, थोड़ा डॉटेड फ्लावर्स लगे होते हैं, उसको देख करके जहाँ पे गेस कर सकता है कि उसे अनुमान लगाता है कि यहाँ इस बार फसल अच्छी होगी. लेकिन एक चीज़ जो सबसे ज़रूरत थी वहाँ पे, व्हाट्स नीड दैट देयर वाज डाउनपोर एट लीस्ट अ शावर. कम से कम बारिश हो जाए, हाईवे रेन की ज़रूरत थी. अगर हाईवे रेन नहीं भी होते हैं तो एटलीस्ट बूंदा बूंदी तो हो ही जाए. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, as you know that कि हर सुबह वो मॉनिटरिंग करने जाता था. मॉनिटरिंग मीन्स चेक करता था फसल को कि कब क्या ज़रूरत है, पानी की ज़रूरत है, कब खाद देने की आवश्यकता है. सो आई लाइक दैट. सो ओनली थिंग दैट, तो इन द मॉर्निंग वो जब गया देखने तो उसने क्या देखा कि द स्काई टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ ईस्ट. इट्स मीन दैट कि लग रहा है कि अब बारिश होएगी क्योंकि मौसम बना हुआ है उसी तरह. I hope clear this. Next, Now we are really going to get some water, woman. Water, woman, woman. He is indicating, he has claimed his wife. The woman who was preparing supper. Preparing supper means preparing evening meal. Before dinner you can tell that supper. Evening meal. Yes, God willing. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them all, "Come for dinner." It was during the meal that, just as Lenchu had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body, and when he returned, he exclaimed, "These aren't raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coin. The big drops are 10-cent pieces and the little ones are fives." So, here in this paragraph, having seen the weather, Lancho, who was the farmer, exclaimed his wife, who was preparing evening meal. He said, having seen the weather, he said, "Hello, right now we are going to get some water." It means that it is going to rain. Yeah, the woman who was preparing evening meal, she said, "Oh yeah, yes, if God willing." Yeah, okay, that's now. If it's God willing, that's now we can get some rain. That's his wife, that are they going to have a rain shower. She replied that, yeah, everything happens. You see that, yes, God willing. The older boys were working in the field. Yeah, their elder children were working at the field and younger ones were playing near the house. When Lencho's wife calls, okay, it was during the meal, just says, "Come on." Lencho had predicted big drops of rain began to fall on that time. He saw the cloud and guessed that the wind was pleasant and clouds could be seen approaching from the northeast. Means just now, having seen the weather, he guessed that, yeah, it is going to having rain. And having, it's their expectation and predicting that. Okay, now what is that here? If fall in the northeast, having the northeast, because northeast is the indicating there's approaching rain. Huge mountain of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. The air was fresh and sweet. It means now he is feeling that so the wind was pleasant and cloud could be seen approaching from the northeast sky. Lencho goes out of the house to take pleasure in feeling the droplet in his body. The same pleasure feeling in the rain in his body. And when he returned, after that he exclaimed that, okay, don't think that these aren't raindrops falling from the sky. Don't get that. Don't get that. Only it is rain. You can say that. You can say that large droplets being equivalent to 10 cent pieces, and the little ones are 5. So don't think that here the raindrops would ensure a good crops, which would be eventually get them to a lot of money. Now, with satisfied expression he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers. So let us say that here. Let's know the Hindi explanation. Yeah. नाउ वी आर रीलिंग गोइंग टू गेट सम वाटर वुमेन। वह अपनी वाइफ से बोलता है दे करके, मौसम को दे करके, ए यू लिसन दैट कि टुडे नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गेट सम वाटर, इट्स मीन दैट इट वाज गोइंग टू रेन, हैवी रेन। द वुमेन हु वाज प्रिपेयरिंग सपर मील, जो उसकी पत्नी जो शाम का खाना बना रही थी, प्रिपेयरिंग सपर, सी सेड या अगर भगवान ने चाहा तो श्योर है कि हमें अच्छी बारिश होगी, बारिश होगी। The older boys were working in the field, while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called them all. जो उनका बड़ा लड़का था खेत में काम कर रहा था, वर्किंग इन द फील्ड्स, जबकि जो छोटे थे सब वंस वे घर के पास में ही खेल रहे थे। तब तक खेलते रहे जब तक उनकी वाइफ यानी उनकी माँ या लेंचो की पत्नी उन्हें बुलाती नहीं है, बुलाती है ओके कम फॉर डिनर, आ जाओ भोजन कर लो। एंड जस्ट लेंचो हैड प्रेडिक्टेड, एंड आफ्टर दैट लेंचो ने भविष्यवाणी करी, प्रेडिक्ट करा, प्रेडिक्ट मतलब भविष्यवाणी ही है। क्या भविष्यवाणी करा? उसने भविष्यवाणी करा कि बिग ड्रॉप्स ऑफ रेन, बिग ड्रॉप ऑफ रेन, बिग ड्रॉप मतलब बड़ी बूंदें जो रेन की हैं, फॉल जो गिरने जा रही हैं। नॉर्थ ईस्ट ह्यूज माउंटेन इन क्लाउड्स, नॉर्थ ईस्ट से जो बादल है बहुत ज़्यादा घना होके आ रहा है, इसका मीन्स बहुत तेज बारिश होगी। एंड बी सीन अप्रोचिंग, ऐसा लग रहा कि बारिश होएगी। द एयर वॉज फ्रेश, और देखो ठंडी हवा भी चल रही है, स्वीट, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ठंडी हवा, इसमें दैट की अप्रोचिंग रेन, बारिश होएगी, होने वाली है। द मैन वेंट आउट फॉर नो अदर रीजन देन टू हैव द प्लेजर ऑफ फीलिंग द रेन ऑन हिज बॉडी, बस बाहर निकला थोड़ा सा मौसम का इंजॉय करने के लिए, अपनी बॉडी पे बहुत गर्मी भी हो रही थी, दैट्स वाई ही गेटिंग इंजॉय। ही एक्सक्लेम करा उस समय जब आया तो रिटर्न होके, क्या कहा कि दीज ऑन रेन ड्रॉप फॉलिंग फ्रॉम द स्काई, जो ये है ना केवल इन्हें जो मत समझो कि ये रेन है जो स्काई से गिर रही है, रेन ड्रॉप नहीं है, बल्कि क्या है, दे आर न्यू कॉइन्स, ये नए सिक्कों की तरह हैं। जो बिग ड्रॉप्स हैं वो 10 सेंट पीसेस के बराबर है, और जो छोटी है वो 5 के बराबर है। ओके, नेक्स्ट फ्रॉम हियर, with a satisfied expression he regarded the field of ripe corn with his flower draped in a curtain of rain, but suddenly a strong wind began to blow. Curtain of rain, but suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstorm began to fall. These truly they resemble means same to same, it seems same to same, new silver coin. The boy exposing themselves to the rain ran out to collect the frozen pearls. So here on seeing everything now satisfied, having seen everything go to expected, Lencho reflect upon the field and flower covered with droplet drapes down the curtain of rain, and the flower covered with droplet which seemed as if they were wrapped in a curtain. Unexpectedly strong wind started blowing. This strong wind began to blow, and with the rain very large hailstorm began to fall. So you can say unexpectedly, because they expected that it will be heavy rain, but now unexpectedly strong wind started blowing, leading to a hailstorm. Satirically, the writer here refers to these pellets, these are silver coins, the boys exposing what is that, themselves to the rain, ran out to the collect and prison pearls. मीन्स सब कुछ देखने के बाद लेंचो को लगा कि चलो सब कुछ अब चारों तरफ बारिश ही बारिश हो रही है, लेकिन अचानक जो एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं थी, अनएक्सपेक्टेड था। क्या अनएक्सपेक्टेड था? इट वॉज अनएक्सपेक्टेड कि एक बाइक स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड चलने लगी, खूब तेज, लीडिंग टू हेल स्टॉर्म। हेल स्टॉर्म, ओले पड़ने लगे, और जो साइकिल जो बच्चे थे वहाँ पे जैसे बर्फ गिरता है उसको जमा करने, कलेक्ट करने चले जाते हैं, वैसे वो उसको लेने चले गए। इट्स रियली गेटिंग बैड नाउ, एक्सक्लेम द मैन। या and I hope it passes quickly. It did not pass quickly. For an hour, the hail ran on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, and the whole valley. The field was white as if covered with salt. Yeah, the farmer now starts worrying, exclaiming, and hopes that the storm gets over quickly. जो किसान था बहुत ज़्यादा चिंता होने लगा, लेकिन आशा भी किया, वट जैसा ये होप रखा कि चलो जल्दी से एक जो तूफान है पास कर जाएगा, जल्दी से पास हो जाएगा, गुजर जाएगा। बट इट डिड नॉट पास क्विकली। बट उसे निराशा लगी, उसे डिसअपॉइंट हुआ, क्योंकि वह तूफान बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ। एंड द हेल स्टॉर्म कवर्ड द एंटायर वैली इंक्लूडिंग द हाउस, गार्डन, हिल साइड, ऑल कॉर्नफील्ड्स, होल वैली। जहाँ तहाँ मत पूछो, सब जगह बर्फ ही बर्फ दिखने लगी। ऐसा लग रहा था कि इट वॉज कवर्ड इन सॉल्ट, चारों तरफ नमक की दरें बिछी गई हों। Not a leaf remained on the tree. The corn was totally destroyed. The flower was gone from the plants. Lencho's soul was filled with the sadness. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his son, what he said? Yeah, it's really getting bad now. Lencho became stressed and he disappointed and exclaimed that because he hoped that it will be passed quickly, but it did not pass quickly. So after that, not a single leaf remained on the tree. बर्फबारी होती है तो सारे पेड़ के पत्ते झड़ जाते हैं। And he was totally disappointed क्योंकि whatever he had planned, everything was going to against the plan. What is that? The trees, you can say that the trees had shed their leaves. Corns were smashed, सारे फूल थे सब के सब डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए, ख़त्म हो गए। फ्लावर्स, जो मक्के पे जो फ्लावर लगे हुए थे सब के सब वो भी ख़त्म हो गए, गिर गए, स्मैश हो गए। While standing the, you can say that when the had storm passed, जब तूफान चला गया, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his son, खेत के बीचों बीच में खड़े होकर अपने बेटों को बुलाया और कहा, क्या कहा कि a plague of locusts would have left more than this. The hail has left nothing. This year we will have no corn. That night was a sorrowful one. All our work for nothing. There is no one who can help us. We will go hungry this year. So here, या बीचों बीच में खड़े होकर, जब तूफान जब रुका, बीच में खड़े होकर अपने बेटों को बुलाया और बोला, what is that? A plague of locusts. Plague, you know, locusts are insect. He said that he commenting the effect of storm proved to be worse than the crop destroying insect. उसने बोला कि जो प्लेग है, इंसेक्ट अटैक करे होते, टिड्डे लगे होते खेत में, तब भी कुछ फसल हमारा बच जाता, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो सब कुछ खत्म। The hell has left nothing. कुछ भी नहीं बचा, nothing. And this year, and all their hard work had gone in vain. Sorrowful one. All work for nothing. एंड देयर इज नो वन हु कैन हेल्प अस, और कोई भी हम लोग की है भी नहीं जो इस साल मदद कर सके। इस साल हम लोग भूखे ही रहने जा रहे हैं। दैट्स ऑल, आई थिंक यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस चैप्टर। दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द line by line explanation, and next you will see in the last video and the next turn. Okay, thank you, take care, be safe.